The recap, I want to share about the signals that you may have signed for and what we call how to use the different indicators and the price confirmation. So I'm going to look at a few markets here. This is gold, 15 minutes today, July 15th. I'm using the 15-minute chart, and I got two signals. One is the triangle, and in order for the signal to be valid, has to break below the previous bar low, which it did, created a short that you would either take profit on based on other indicators, including the VWAP signal, or when it reversed to a long with this green square. Now, when we got the green square, again, we want to see that it breaks the previous bar high, which it did, and look at this beautiful move that it made from there. Obviously, not all signals are pure like that, but that's a nice example. Let's take a quick look at let's go take a look at the NQ, for example. Let me see if I can do the NQ.